So in the course Mechanics of Solids, we have studied something about different types of stresses. I hope you all understand what is tensile stress, what is compressive stress, and what is shear stress. So in the real time, where we all test these tests to take the tensile strength of a material, compressive strength of a material, and shear strength of the material. So we need an apparatus to test the same, right? So this is the apparatus for testing all these stresses. Rather than the strength we are checking, and then we are calculating the stresses accordingly, right? So it is called universal testing machine. What is meant by universal? The word tells that universal means what? Can you tell something? Universal means? Yes, you can test versatile test in the same equipment. You can test more than one or other parameters in the same equipment. Can you tell again? You can tell? We can do
the test in various types and various methods.
Yes, that is right. So we are going to test any material for tensile strength, compressive strength, and shear strength. That's why it is called universal testing machine, right? So this testing machine will have a capacity of 400 kilonewton. That means you can apply 400 kilonewton of weight with the help of this testing equipment, right? So this testing machine consists of upper crosshead, and this is movable crosshead. So this will move along this screw through a motorized mechanism controlled by the hydraulic equipment inside, right? So we are giving load by means of hydraulic equipment. You understood what is hydraulic equipment? We are using arrow oil. Yes, it's oil, right? So by that way, we are going to give the load, whether it is a compressive load. Compressive load is nothing but pulling or pushing. Pulling. Okay. So we are going to increase the length or decrease the length. Increase the length. Okay. Extension of length is tensile, and the reduction of length is compressive. Good. So in that way, we are going to test the tensile strength of any material in this equipment. So we have a dial indicator in this. So we have to set initially to 0. This is a movable needle, and this needle will move along this direction so that how much load is the material gets break, right? So this is the MS rod. We have mild steel rod. We have a specimen size for the same. So in this MS rod, it is being held between these two cross heads. Okay, so where one jaw will be fixed jaw, other jaw will be a moving jaw. So when it is start giving the load, there will be a neck formation, right? So there will be a neck formation, so that this is a brittle material or ductile material. Ductile material, very good. So it's a ductile material. It will not break like a glass. It will break slowly. It will tell that it is going to break. That is fracture point. After that it will break. So when the movable head is moving downwards, the fibers in this region are pulled and there is a neck formation. Suddenly it will break. Okay. So that breaking point we can take it as ultimate load. So any material that is used in applications like automobile or construction industry, it has to have ultimate tensile strength. That is, we can go below that ultimate tensile load. Likewise, for example, we have 230 kilonewton is the maximum weight it can hold. We cannot go further than that. So that is what we are going to test with this equipment, right? So we can also go for compressive test. So we have separate testing machine for CTM. We call it as compressive testing machine. Even though we can also do this compressive testing machine, service in this particular equipment. We can also do shear test. I hope you all know what is shear test. Shear test is nothing but, so we are going to give equal and opposite forces on a body, right, so that the body shears off. That is shear test, right? So we have three modulus of elasticity. Do you know any modulus of elasticity? We have three things, right? One is Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, bulk modulus. All these things can be calculated from this experiment. So this universal testing machine is a vital equipment in civil and mechanical industry. All the materials has to undergo this test, and then only it has to be used in any application in manufacturing industry. Thank you.